How to disable ad blocker in Brave browser. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can disable ad blocker in Brave browser. So how can you disable ad blocker in Brave browser? It's very simple. Just follow me as I show you in this tutorial. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Brave browser installed on your mobile device, on your PC. Once you have it installed, just go ahead and launch the browser. Once the browser has been launched, you will be brought to the home page where you will see different options. Okay, the next thing to do is move to the top right corner where you can see 3 dashes. Then you click on it. Once you click on 3 dashes, a box will be displayed showcasing several options. So the next thing for you to do is to click on the settings option. Then once you click on the settings option, you will take it to the settings page. On this page, you'll see other options as well. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu and then select Shield. Shield is located under Appearance and above Privacy and Security. So on the Shield page, you'll see the option Tracker and Ads Blocking. Alright, it is above upgrade connection to HTTPS. So next to the right side of the trackers and ads blocking site, you will see the options available such as standard, aggressive, and then disabled. So to disable this ad blocker, just click on disabled, and then just like that, your trackers and ad blocking option will be disabled on Brave. It is that simple. So this is how you can disable ad block in Brave browser. Thanks for watching.